doubt. Gun lobbyists have plenty to say about the president's executive order. Local 10 News reporter Terrell Fournay caught up with people on both sides of the issue. He's live with the debate. Terrell.
Yeah, certainly a lot of interesting opinions being voiced for people who frequent this particular gun shop here in Hollywood. Take a look behind me. They certainly have a lot of guns on display. This is where people come to purchase their weapons, to purchase supplies, and also to take gun safety training courses. And because of a lot of reasons, they say that they're really seeing a spike in how many people are looking to purchase a gun.
Gun sales are increasing. Concealed weapon classes are going up. People are afraid what's next.
Whether it's fear or feeding into a frenzy, business is booming at the 911 gun store in Hollywood.
People are buying Glock handguns. The biggest seller right now are the small, compact Glock 380 or 9mm.
Demand for small, pocket-sized weapons ahead of the stringent background checks announced today by President Obama. Retired Hialeah officer Walter Philbrick owns this gun shop.
Being a gun store owner, I want to sell a gun to people who are responsible. And I believe the more background checks, the better. No problem there,
But all too often, crimes involving guns are gripping South Florida streets, most recently in record numbers, and taking young lives. The emergency room at Jackson deals with the devastating consequences daily.
Sadly, here at the Ryder Trauma Center, we see gun violence day and night. And in fact, it's an unusual day or night that goes by when we do not see men, women, and children affected by gun violence.
Staff here calls it a public health epidemic, so much so that doctors in other countries seek out roles as surgeons in Miami to train on the front lines with gunshot wound-related injuries.
I believe it's a mental issue rather than a gun issue.
And we've even talked with some customers inside of this gun shop who feel that this new executive order is a threat to our Second Amendment right to bear arms. But as you heard that gun shop owner, he really does not feel that that's the case. He says that a lot of the fear that's really what's driving the gun sales here is people are really fearful that a terrorist attack could happen on U.S. soil. So in their words, they just want to be prepared. We are live in Hollywood tonight. I'm Terrell Fournay, Local 10 News.